flying. Blue Scout is still grounded.
Thanks, you Scout.
Okay, class. Today we will take a test on Africa.
Great. Not this test. I don't want to take a test on Africa, and I've got to stop this from happening. I know what. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. First, I will ask my teacher if I can go to the bathroom. Excuse me, Mr. Dallas. Can I use the bathroom?
Okay, Dark Alfur Aldric. But make quick. You and everyone in this classroom has a test to take. And be back in 5 minutes.
Time for me to pull a fire alarm. There it is. The fire alarm. Now to pull it and put an end to the stupid test. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey! Stop it right there! Dark Alfur Aldric. What do you think you're doing?
I was just going to the bathroom.
Liar. It seems to me that you trying to pull the fire alarm. That's it. Mister. Come with me to my office. You're in big trouble.
Oh carp. I'm so screwed.
Dark Alfur Aldric. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? Why did you try to do that?
Well, Principal Eric, I did want to take a test on Africa in class today, so I stopped test from happening by pulling the fire alarm. That's why I tried to do it.
Dark Alfur Aldric. You do realize that pulling the fire alarm without reason or stupid reason is illegal, right? Well, you could be arrested if I didn't stop you from pulling the fire alarm. But since I stopped you for doing it, you better be lucky that I'm calling the cops. But next time I catch you trying to pull the fire alarm, then I'm calling the cops. Do you understand?
Yes, Principal Eric. I understand.
Good. Besides, we only use the fire alarms for drills. And for trying to pull the fire alarm, you will be suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Dark Alfur Aldric. We can't believe you that you tried to pull the fire alarm at school today. You know doing that kind of action can get you arrested.
But still, for trying to pull the fire alarm at school today, you're grounded for 2 weeks. Now go to your room right now, and we tell Hilda, Johanna and Anders about this when they get home.